Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote start in the 2023 Kia Forte. I have in front of me here an EX Premium IVT in sporty blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the EX Premium does have the remote start built in, and the button for it is right in the side of your smart fob where it says hold. So we're going to go ahead and lock the car just to communicate with it, especially if it's been sitting overnight. And I'm going to press and hold the hold button for about 3 or 4 seconds. The lights will flash, and now the car has started. It will run up to about 10 minutes before it shuts itself off, just in case you don't come out to it or do anything with it. And you can cancel that remote start just by pressing the hold button again, and now it's shut off. So I'm going to go ahead and restart it. And once you get inside the vehicle, you can either hit unlock on the side of your key fob, or you can press the black button on the outside of the door here. And when we get inside and I close the door, the car detects that the key fob is in here and all of the rest of the electronics turned on, and now it's ready to go. It will remember what you last have your climate control set to. So I preset this before I started the car just to make sure. It will remember what temperature you set it to. It will remember what position you have it coming from. And it would even remember if you had the front defroster on specifically. So if you left the front defroster on, whatever temperature you want, it will also remember the fan speed. And you can even have sync off if you wanted one side still blowing a little more than the other, your choice. It will remember that as well. It will not remember if you have your rear seats on, or it will not remember if you have your rear defroster on. And it won't remember if you have like your heated seats, your heated steering wheel going, but that's what Kia Connect is for. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.